In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert custom HTML on an Instapage page. If you've ever wanted to add a custom widget, a special form, or a piece of third-party code that isn't available as a native block, this quick process will let you drop it right into your design while keeping full control over placement and styling. Start by opening your landing page in the Instapage editor. Once the page loads, look to the left sidebar where all your elements live. You're looking for the HTML element. It's easy to spot because it uses the angle bracket icon, like this. If it's not immediately visible, just scroll the sidebar. It's usually tucked near the very bottom. Take your time here. Instapage groups a lot of elements, and it's normal to scroll a bit to find this one. When you've found the HTML element, click and drag it onto your canvas. Drop it exactly where you want the custom content to appear. You can move it around freely, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. Use the on-screen guides to align it with other elements, and feel free to resize the box so your embedded content has enough room to display properly. With the HTML box in place, double-click it. This opens the editor window for that element. Inside this window is where you'll paste your custom HTML. Copy your code from your source and paste it directly into the editor. Keep in mind that whatever you paste should be clean and complete. If your snippet includes inline styles, that's typically fine, but make sure it doesn't unintentionally override your page's global styles. If your code references external assets, using secure HTTPS links helps avoid browser warnings. And as always, never paste any sensitive information into your page code. Once your code is in, take a moment to scan for typos or missing tags. A quick check now can save you time later. If the content preview looks clipped, you can adjust the size of the HTML box right on the canvas so the full content is visible. When you're satisfied, click Save and Update to save the page with your changes. This ensures your custom HTML is stored with the layout and applied to your live design as intended. That's all there is to it. Find the HTML element, place it where you need it, paste your code, and save and update. With this approach, you can extend your Instapage designs quickly and reliably while keeping everything organized inside the editor.